how to create a tech fitness gadget store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your own account in the platform. So here, open a new window, then enter Shopify and choose the first link that you will have. So here, let's go with the first link. Then click on start free trial. Then you'll proceed with your email to create your account. And guys, after you creating the account, this will be your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your store. So here in your left, you have all of those buttons. So first we have the home. This is the home of the platform. Then we have the orders. It's where you can check all of your orders when you start selling. Then you have the products. So here, this is where we're going to come in order to create or to add a product. So here, for example, you would just click on add product. Then you will add the title of the product, the description, the media, the pictures, videos, or the 3D models. Then you will add the price and the compare at price. And here you will add the shop location, the shipping, and the variants. Or if you want to go with the search engine listing as well to improve your search engines, then you will proceed to the customers. This is where you're going to check all of your customers if you want to add new ones or if you want to import customers from your other websites. And here you have the content and the analytics, where you can check everything about your data, your total sales, the sales by channel, the online store sessions. You can see also your average order value or your AOV. You can see your total orders, the top selling product, and all of those data. Then we move on to the online store. It's where we're going to check our store, see how it's looking, and try to customize it. So here, let's view the store first. So this is how the store is looking like. As you can see, this is the theme I've chosen. So you can choose whatever theme you'd like. I have chosen this theme, which is Sense. So guys, just keep in mind, when you first open your store, you will have this Dawn theme installed. You will not have Sense installed. You will have Dawn as your current theme. So I've just gone down here, go to visit theme store, then make sure to choose the theme that you would like to use or the theme that you would feel comfortable using. So here we have 173 themes. We have 12 of them are free themes and the others are paid. So here, for example, this one costs $320 if you want to use it. This one is free. Another one which costs $360, 380, free, 360, 350, 350 again, $240. So here, let's just go to filter by free. We just want to use a free theme. We're not ready yet to buy a theme. So here, this is the theme I'm using, the theme I've chosen. You don't need to choose the same theme like me. You can check and browse through these themes and see if you're going to find a comfortable theme that you'd like to work with. So here, let's check this one, for example. So here you can scroll down and click on view demo store in order to check the theme and how it's looking like. So here, this is the theme, the colors that you have in. This is how the product is looking like. So here, this is the theme. As you can see, this is the footer, and here this is the header. So if you'd like to use this theme, just click on try theme, then you will have it installed in your theme library. You will have it installed in here. You will need first to click on publish in order to make it your current theme. So after choosing your theme and making it your current theme, click on customize to move on to customize your theme. So here guys, it's very easy to work on the platform. You will just need to click on whatever you'd like to change, then you will be able to change it in your left. So here by clicking on the announcement bar, you will be able to change everything about it in here. So here first I'm going to turn on the auto rotate announcements and I'm going to leave it at 4 seconds. Click on enter, and this auto rotate announcements allows you to change the announcements in here for every 4 seconds. So here I'm going to go back and I'm going to change what's written in the announcement bar. I'm going to go with free shipping to the US. Then I'm going to come back and another announcement here, 50% off today only. And then you will have it in here rotating every 4 seconds. So that's it when it comes to the announcement bar. Then we move on to the header. So here I'm going first to choose a logo. So here click on select image if you already have a logo in your desktop. If not, just go with explore free images. Then I'm going to search for a tech fitness gadgets. So here I'm going to scroll down. We have accessories and jewelry, watches, tech. Let's check tech if you can find a tech fitness gadgets. So those are all the images we have. It's all about laptops. Let's go back. Let's go with watches. If you can find a watch for sports or fitness. So here let's go with this one for example. Here click on select, then you will have it as your logo. So guys, working on this platform is very easy. You just need to click on whatever you would like to change and then you will be able to change it. So I think you get the idea guys, and after you make all of your changes, click on save to save them all. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.